Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, You made me.
Alright, what's good my peoples? It is a new day. So we ended up not working on the truck that day I had went, but new day today. And today we're about to be messing with the truck. We're gonna figure out what I actually broke on that rear end. So today's gonna be getting the rear end rebuilt and all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be taking y'all with me. It's been a while since I've driven my Viper, so it's looking like a little overcast, but I don't think it's gonna be raining. So it'll be a good time to take this thing out. Especially on the way to Bethel's, there's a lot of nice twisty roads, so it'll be a nice little drive in the Viper. She don't want to play. And there go the popo. Is he coming up? Oh, he is coming. He just wants to give props. This is just great. It wasn't supposed to rain, but here it is coming down. Vipers is one of those cars that everybody's afraid of. Like, it's raining, it's gonna be so dangerous. Like, this car is a phenomenal handling car. And with R888s on it, it's fine in the rain. It's not that bad. Yo, I'm not sure exactly where I went, but like, these back roads are hella nice. Like, I'm literally in the cuts. If the ground wasn't wet, I'd be mobbing through this thing. I'm gonna have to come back through here. Look, hella wet. So since I was driving a Viper, I took a different direction. I kind of just went through a small town that kind of looks like I really shouldn't be stopping in, but bruh, it's like a time capsule. Like, look at this is so dope. Hella old school stuff, bruh. Look, old school telephone booth. This is dope. I had to stop here and get a picture real quick because this is pretty sick. It's literally like a time capsule of like old school stuff. So I'm gonna hurry up, get my flick, and get my ass up out of here. Alright, we just pulling up. Man's already got the truck on the lift. What's cracking, Black?
What's up? Ready for some carnage?
Man, we'll see what's broken under this thing.
Everything.
What's good with you?
Off your tire cord.
What's cracking, boy? Damn!
I wonder why your shit broke. Look at that shit.
He about to look like me. Shake that shit.
What up, what up, what up?
This wasn't like that before. Who's doing donuts, man?
I don't know, man. I'm pretty sure we pushed the shit off the trailer.
Woof. About to figure out what's broken this thing. As long as it's stronger than before.
Oh, well,
Where all the parts at? It's all the goods.
yeah. Bearings.
So how much power do you think this diff will support now? For this rear end?
I've held like 900 with one of these. My red truck still got a tempo.
With the Mosers and stuff?
Yeah, I got all the same shit. Only thing I got the Eagle is the shift up. There you go. 373s.
370 trees? That shit look beefy.
Yeah. About to find out what you really got.
It's 373s in there.
We're about to count all the broken teeth.
Snag it too fast rear end. Man, what's up? You hit this dude up, ask him if he want to sell us or no?
Fuck, I'm about to.
Why? It's bad?
No, I'm just waiting for some parts.
We'll see what this looks like.
Mine will slide the table over, bring.
About to get all the nice Kool-Aid out this motherfucker.
For bolts? Yeah.
And we ain't surprised it broke. Cody built this rear end too. Nah. Motherfucker straps again.
It's gonna be welded like those 240s.
I know. See what's in this bitch. It's a true track for sure.
Bro, hell with silicone. Oh fuck, silicone? You know they sell gaskets on right?
When in doubt, silicone it out.
Bring me a little hammerhead. Fucking glue it on there.
Catch that bearing that's about to fall out of there, man. We might have to reuse it.
Throw a towel.
Man, it don't look that bad. Look like we can reuse this oil too.
You can go make a silver chain out of that shit. Or just run it through a copper filter.
Yeah, it's definitely broke.
Hey, just bring the welder, just weld the shit up and you're good to go.
Sound like somebody pouring a bowl of cereal. It's definitely gonna be some shit in there. Moment of truth.
Oh, some shit's gonna fall out for sure.
Oh.
That's a first. Look at that shit.
Damn.
That's not a true track. Hey, you want to sew this on off-road? Let me see that. Let's go then.
Okay, let me get the towel.
Hey, that's not a true track, huh? No, is this stock? Not for a true track, you got boofed. Is this stock? That looks like a... Bro, is that a stock carrier?
Stock carrier.
Bruh, really?
You got G80, my boy? Is that like a BMW?
See, now I gotta go beat up Cody now.
Bro, that's not a true track. That's a stock G80, ain't it? Look at that shit. It don't even look like a Yukon Posse. You should ship this all back to him.
Here, the towel.
At least we'll be able to take it apart easy.
Yeah, it's already apart.
Bro, that looks like a stock case. Does that look aftermarket to you? At best, it's like a China. No, bro, that's gotta be. Well, at best, it's some China Yukon knockoff, but that is not a true track for sure. Huh? Oh. Yeah, there ain't no true track. It was like, honestly, you probably didn't lose an axle because you got, yeah, you didn't lose an axle because you got this. You got this right. That shit would have caved. Not you would have lost the fucking axle. The pins weren't even in there. Look, see how they are? Spin it a little bit, Hedo. A little more? No, other way.
I thought it was stuck.
Let me grab. Now it's coming out. Let me grab a magnet. Watch out. Yep. There. That shit is broken, bro. Slide it up.
That's not what I paid for.
Nah, that's not what I paid for. That dip wasn't even taken apart, bro. He's got the original shims. Look at that shit.
Supposedly it was all rebuilt and blah, blah, blah. Stock ass rear end.
At best, that motherfucker's some China shit. I don't even think it's anything. Ooh. Nah, you're gonna have to use Ron Jeremy for that one. 12? Yeah. Count the big one.
Well, ain't no telling now. We don't know what's what no more.
The marks is look.
Bruh, more fuckery?
Nah, just torn up shit, bro. No, but look where it's at. Look through over there. Oh, there's a hole under it.
Watch the tempos, bro.
Man, watch the up tippies, bruh. And I got on white.
Damn, how the fuck did that shit get in there?
Man, he better refund me my money. All right, here we go. So can't nobody say I'm lying. This is the invoice where he got paid. Right there, right here. Posse True Track.
That for sure ain't a fucking true track.
Posse True Track. More evidence when people be like, that nigga's always flaming people and tripping. This is why niggas get flamed like this.
Not the part.
Bruh, the whole bill is fucked up. Like, hell of the shit that you end up redoing is like, nigga, we didn't even fucking say nothing about.
Yeah.
And now we here at the rear end.
Even the fact that we're about to redo the downpipe that shouldn't have to be redone.
By a fabricator.
Yeah.
Like, come on, bruh.
Yeah, fuck that downpipe.
That ain't a fucking true track, though. And I paid for a fucking true track.
Yeah, that's not a true track. We're gonna make a movie out of this shit. There you go.
Workout, boy. Them triceps.
Hope you don't pay for side bags.
It was supposed to be a bill rear end.
These motherfuckers were new in 2001.
Maybe he replaced this one then.
We'll see.
We're gonna see. That one's from 2002.
We'll have to come back on episode 2 because it take a while to bring them out. What the fuck?
Damn, bro, we gotta reuse them, bro. We like.
Aggressive. Just leave it off. We'll put it on the. Where the fuck? That's in the brakes. That's the parking shoe. Bro, where's the park shoe? That is the park shoe.
Work them triceps, my boy. Let's go. Let's go. 3 more, baby. 3 more. We got a workout plan over here now.
Yeah, your fucking whole rear brake's falling apart, man. Well, I like that.
Wasn't like that before.
Oh,
hey, this is all rebuilt,
My
man.
bad. Yeah, in 2001.
Man, look at that. That's a new bearing, baby.
Oh, yep.
2001.
Fresh here.
That thing whooped too.
All
right, so Cody actually just texted me and saying that this was a Summit True Track, but here's the stock pin right here. And then show us that other True Track you was just showing.
True Track got a cover with a C-clip, bro. And the body's all smooth.
That fool is a fucking... Didn't I tell you he'd be lying, though? So, look, this is what he's saying it was. He's saying, oh, it was a True Track from Summit. But it's like, bruh, right here, that's not what I paid you for. I paid you for an actual True Track. And then here he goes with the apology. Me and Carlos, blah, 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 blah. At the end of the day, I'm sorry. Shut the fuck up.
It comes with, that's the locking piece for
So this slides in the middle.
that holds the axles.
This holds it in, and then you just put this fucking clip.
This is what a True Track has.
So that one that came out wasn't a true track.
Nah, that shit was bullshit.
Who's lying?
Not me.
Hey, just go ahead and put that one in that rear end, bro.
We don't got the carrier. We just got the lock.
We can make it work. Didn't you say something about welding some shit?
Look at that shit. That's for a 700 horsepower truck.
That's Mike and Cody's over
Look
there.
what you got there.
Why y'all keep talking shit about me, man? I'm already sad. Yeah, this one is firm.
No, that's a nice
Let it go. Why you holding it? This one. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's just the weight of
At least
it.
that one's heavy though. That one has a reason to fall down.
And then here's my little puny one. Bet those making me upgrade the drive shaft. I said 3 inches too small.
That's 2.5.
Too small. Hey, where you going, man? See if this one fits. This might fit.
Slide it on.
If this fits, Betho said he's about to give me a fucking half off.
Yeah.
Something about $400.
Probably too short. It is from another single cabin.
That is too short.
Oh, yeah, way too short. Yeah, that's for OBS. That's for that OBS outside.
That's what he needs right here.
Yeah.
Pull it up.
Hey, my man said he do welding, bro. Just add like 4 inches on there.
It sticks out. Yeah. So it'd be the same one or different? I'll get a shorter.
All right. Fuck, man. Every time I come here, we always gotta fucking fix some shit.
Should've came here first.
I didn't know about you. I wish.
You DM'd me a long time ago.
I think you told me you was busy.
I'm always busy. There's fucking cars back there, cars here, cars in my garage.
Look, you could have prevented all of this, bro. You could have saved me. You could have been a one-stop shop. Now look at me. 2 stops, double paying,
You had to wait.
not getting the shit I paid for.
You
Like,
had to wait for Jason to give you the seal of approval.
man. Jeez. All right, my peeps. We are just leaving Bethel's right now. Man, yeah. I mean, y'all seeing what was going down. A lot of the stuff that's been going on with the truck, we've been just keeping it like hush-hush. Like I wasn't really saying much about it, but I'm pretty sure y'all already know Bethel redid a lot of the old work on there. But you know, when I pay for something and the parts ain't there, that's like, come on, bro. We got a game plan. Bethel wants to redo the entire exhaust, but we'll probably start with doing the downpipe right now because we're trying to get the AC and everything back in there, and the way it's just was done, they're just not happy with it. There's a lot of tension on the exhaust. Like anytime you take one of the V-bands off, the thing unsprings like crazy. So we're gonna try to redo the downpipe, see what happens on the dyno, see if there's any restrictions or anything. If there is, I'm probably gonna end up redoing the entire exhaust and just doing a full 4-inch all the way back. There's a few things to figure out, but obviously, you know, my boy Beto's the truck goat, so the truck is in good hands. Like regardless of what happens, it'll be 100 times better than what it came in there as, and I'm just looking forward to having the truck done, man. Done right, problem free.